Hi students, fourth sum, two blocks of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are attached to the ends of a string passing over a pulley. The 4 kg mass is attached to the table by another string. Okay, this is a table and the 4 kg mass is attached to the table. Find the tensions T1 and T2 in the string. A very important numerical problem, but very simple. So two masses are given, 4 kg and 6 kg. But you can see that the end of the string is attached to a firm table, and the other side, the mass 6 kg is stretching the string in the downward direction, so that the system is now in equilibrium. It is at rest. Therefore, the acceleration A is equal to 0 for both the masses. This is the first point of understanding. Suppose if it were not tied to the table, means then the 4 kg should have accelerated upwards and 6 kg should have accelerated downwards. But now, since the system is at rest, the acceleration of both the masses will be equal to 0. Now let us draw the free body diagram for the 4 kg and 6 kg mass. So this is the 4 kg mass. So on the 4 kg mass, you see that T2 is upward. The tension T2 is upward and the tension T1 is downward, and its weight 4 into G is acting in the downward direction. Now the free body diagram for the 6 kg mass. Tension T2 is upward and its weight 6G is downward. For both, acceleration is equal to 0. So now I write Newton's second law. T2 minus T1 minus 4G. So for the 4 kg mass, if I write the equation involving the tensions and acceleration, T2 minus T1 minus 4G. So minus 4G is equal to mass into acceleration is 0. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 4G. So this is 4 into 9.8. So 4 into 9.8. If G value is not given, means it is better to take 9.8. So this will be equal to 39.2 Newton. Okay. Now like this, for the 6 kg mass, for 6 kg mass, if you write the equations based on the free body diagram, T2 minus 6G is equal to, so T2 minus 6G is equal to mass into acceleration is 0. So T2 must be equal to 6G, and this is 6 into 9.8. So 6 into 9.8 is equal to 58.8. 58.8 Newton. So T2 minus T1 is equal to what? 39.2. Okay. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 39.2. Therefore T1 is equal to T2 minus 39.2. So this is 58.8 minus 39.2. So minus 39.2 is equal to 19.6. So 19.6 Newton. So what is asked here? T1 and T2 only is asked. So the tension T1 is 19.6 Newton. And the tension T2 is 58.8. So this is 58.8 Newton is the answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.